was going back to my mother, exhausted. And then the angel of this strange God that I knew not of, he asked me where was I on my way to? Where was I coming from? I said, I run from the hand of my mistress. She became very angry with me. He said, go back home. He said, go back. He said, you will be blessed. He said, that you are carrying will be blessed. He will be blessed. Yeah. He will be blessed. He looked upon me, a servant girl, an Egyptian, a nobody. This God of Abraham that I knew not of. I understood then that there must be one God. Well, he did something for my faith, that there is one God. He promised me that I would be blessed. So he said, go back, humble yourself, trust that I will bless you. Even you, this God of Abraham, looked down on me, a servant from a pagan country, of this God. He said he would bless my fruit. He said that he would bless me. I wonder about this God. I wonder about this God. Come on. Who would bless even me from a pagan girl. This great God of Abraham. Amen.